Hey everybody, I have these bookmark molds and I'm hoping to be able to make a vase. So I had picked up this vase pretty cheap. I think it was maybe like $6 at Walmart. And I'm just gonna start off by painting it to decorate it. So let's see how it comes out. I'm going to condition some clay here. I have, this is like a burgundy color. I'm going to start out with that. Just move it around your hands until it gets nice and soft. But this is foam clay, so it doesn't really take long at all.
Start with a spark, let ideas glow. Hands on the clay, let the magic grow. Mold it with love, shape it with care. Dreams come alive in the art we share. Creating molds, casting souls.
Alright, so UV resin, just a drop.
Express your mind,
Just to apply a few of them on there. So they're not gonna fall off.
imagination, setting free. Innovation, come and see. Ideas in my mind, spark like fireflies. Colors on the canvas, love.
So I have,
rise.
here's chameleon powder. I'm gonna try this with the magenta.
Shapes begin to form. Dreams come to life in every shade and norm. Create the magic, feel it in the air. Draw it, write it, share it. Show the world you care. Imagination flow, let your colors show. Turn the ordinary into something new. Every note we sing, every line we write, echoes of our dreams shining in the light. Create the magic, feel it in the air. Draw it, write it, share it. Show the world you care. Create the magic, feel it in the air. Draw it, write it, share it. Show the world you care. The world you Colors in my mind, blank face staring back. Brush in my hand, feeling alive tonight. Every every stroke a piece of who I want to be. Free like the wind, let the colors blend. Painting our dreams with a splash of light. Creating art in the dead.
Okay, so I'm not liking this piece at all, and I am using my creative license here as an artist to redo it. But I'm just painting all of these leaves black. I feel like I really messed this up, but I don't give up easily. I'm just gonna keep trying until I get this looking decent.
Magic in our heart, laughing as we fly underneath the sky. Painting our dreams with a splash of light. Creating art in the dead of the night. Fun free, our hearts agree. We're alive, we're alive.
I think this looks so much better. I'm so glad that I used my artistic license to change this because I wasn't happy with the results before. But look at this. I think it's really nice. Just a little touch up here and there. But I'm happy with this. I think I like it now. I was getting ready to give up on this entire project because I was not happy with how this looked before. But that's to show you, don't give up. You can always fix things and make it better. So that's my little bit of advice, and I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.